Welcome to the Fruits of Clojure, where I'm programming Clojure the way I would do it, usually. I'm gonna try out the OpenAI chat API. I have my Clojure program running from inside Emacs. I'm connected to my Clojure program, and now I use single keys to evaluate. This is what you might have in a Node, JavaScript REPL, or in a browser. Maybe you have this, maybe you know that you can define JavaScript on the fly. Hello, done. Foo is a function. Hell, yes. Now you go here, and you're overwriting the environment, the running environment, which is actually sort of cool. One reason I like the browser actually. And in Lisp, that is our programming paradigm, and we build everything around the fact that we are programming the same program while it runs. So I can say that foo is the output of some expression. Now foo is defined, and I keep working on this. And now I could say what, something like this, and then I can wonder, oh yeah, that's 9 here. Like even inside the forms of my functions, I can think, and I can keep to evaluate. So this is the most important thing about Clojure. If you only read Uncle Bob's blog post, like the Primogen did recently, he didn't mention this, he didn't mention the REPL, he didn't mention interactive programming. So I'm showing it to you right now. I'm gonna make a function called API key. So now use Clojure. It's running on Java, on the JVM, I have to say. So there's Java classes. We don't have a library for files, just use the Java JVM file library, and it works great. File, I wanted to say, I didn't want to say, I want to say shell. Because, so yeah, here the power of Clojure starts becoming a thing. I'm thinking about how I want my program to look while I'm thinking about it. Say I'm splitting the output of this thing, then it's wrong because I didn't have a regex. So I can put a regex first, and then I can take the first two and things like this. Now I have a thing called pass. What's my key? Just did some bash completion inside Emacs with completions. Copied the thing. Now I'm not gonna put this onto my screen. I know by heart that I need to. That's a function called trim. Oh yeah. This will be fine. Yes, this is the one thing I'm not gonna do form by form. Oh yeah, great. Check completion. We will do. Oh, message file. Wait a second. Yes. Not with this. Yes, here we are. Again, no, the first thing that's amazing about Clojure. Oh, I just threw away my data, right? And I just printed it out, and now where is it? In the REPL we still store it in a special variable called star. One star thing, yeah. Like this. So yeah, now I can call keys on this, and I can print it out again from my Emacs, and now I can search with Emacs through the data structure or something. So we keep things simple because that's where the power comes from, being straightforward. Now, yeah, maybe I have here my response as a variable now, of course. Say I'm gonna extract from these. So peak is a function that's, here we are unlocking the power of REPL-driven development right now. So when you are developing Clojure, you are evaluating forms at least every 10 seconds, or on the order of something like every 10 seconds, whatever, just to put a number on it. If you think about a function, you want to know how it works, you make a small, simple case and look at how it works. So you end up not even reading so much docs or whatever for functions. So here I'm gonna take peak at the last element of the vector, and then I can call keys again on it, and then say I want the message, and then content or something, and then I'm gonna say message maybe. Okay, this is now a function. You can still check again if it works if I call it on my response here. So yeah, this is already quite powerful stuff. I only made a single web request, and I already programmed like half of my program. Maybe chat completion messages. Okay, I'm gonna good enough for what I'm doing right now, I think. Okay, so one day I will do that for my audio diary, but I'm gonna start now with doing my here knowledge-based creator idea. Maybe I can extract some keywords and then I can at the end have like a graph database of associations or something and use the language model to build to extract the associations as the first step, right? Yeah. Later on I would maybe do this for all the audio snippets I ever produce on my phone, but right now I don't have good enough transcriptions to get something nice. I'm gonna try it with one of my blog posts. It's probably also a lot of tokens. I wonder, it's 400. Okay. No, yeah, let's try first 10,000 characters. Oh, it's unfortunate. Oh, I'm using Turbo. Yeah, I don't think I have Turbo 30K. I think I can try quickly. GPT 3.K 30. Maybe. See if it. Oh, that was. Okay, it takes significantly longer, but it's. And can I even like handle everything? That would be kind of. Yeah, okay. Interactive programming, focusing on the list and closure languages. Author does this deep level of interactivity. Okay, maybe we're gonna try this out prompt. You are part of a knowledge-based creator program. But maybe you just ask it in a straightforward way. I think it already has a prompt, like you are a helpful assistant or something, so extract the most interesting essential keywords from the text. How do I say? Only the most important ones. No, let's see, whatever. Maybe it's fine if you get a lot. Depends on the knowledge. Start a little program and you don't even, like, I don't have a project context right now. I don't even, like, I have this in a Git repository because it's like my Scratch files, but, yeah, I literally have a key binding to make one of these files and then to start hacking, without the project context. So yeah, it's maybe part of the curse of Lisp a little bit as well, because now I sort of have a program that uses an OpenAI language thing to extract keywords from the thing, and it already works. Like, I can say, maybe make slightly more API out of this. Make this a function, keywords, extract keywords. Exclamation mark and Clojure we use to say this is a side effect function. It's not completely, it's not enforced or anything, but it's a little bit of a convention. Because in Clojure everything, for example, this thing is assumed to be a pure function, so that's just the default entity in the code. Is usually everything's pure functions. File, right? Yeah. So now I have a program that I'm taking. Let me take another blog post maybe or something. Well, a lot of joy of Clojure. That's not right. Joy of Clojure. Extract keywords. Yeah, but I have a program that extracts keywords like this. I don't need to like ship this to anybody or share it with anybody. It's all a little effort that I'm not making a GitHub repo out of this thing like some JavaScript, TypeScript 20-year-old would do right now. So maybe I'm gonna say make a set. And now I'm gonna use Clojure set namespace. I'm gonna say the intersection. Oh, there's an intersection. Quick trick to get instead of defing some thing in my system, I could also, instead of defing like some value, I could also temporarily memorize this. So this is another nice trick, so I don't have to make the web request. And this is the, so yeah, because now I'm getting punished right now with have to wait. Agile, interactive computing. Okay. So yeah, now I have a database. Let's say what are all the keywords in my knowledge base. Making the computer think, Paparian machine, Clojure, community, versioning, freedom. Okay, now I can say query freedom. Yeah, and then sure, take it first. Wanna browse here, right? This is it opens an Emacs. Yeah, this is something I didn't set up. I have to, in an old school way, click with Emacs. Oh yeah, so you see the power of having an interactive program. Okay, so that's definitely it. And now here's something that you can do with Clojure. Say I'm gonna split all my data that I have. It's something I can say print readable. Print readable string. Now there's a big ugly file, and I can get it back a fruit string. Observing this, and this is more or less where JSON comes from. So the fact that you can print Lisp objects and read them. This is the power of JSON, and JSON comes from JavaScript being a scheme. So this is where you have this power, and that is really useful. So we have all these useful things in Clojure. We just keep everything at the most bottom. Everything is just data, immutable data structures. Have fun.